Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo again, mga goddess ko? Another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga water signs natin dyan? Kamusta ang araw nyo ngayon? So, anong meron sa ating mga water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, let's see. Anong meron sa inyo? Universe, please. Anong meron sa ating mga water signs dyan? Kamusta kayo ngayon? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong meron sa ating mga water signs? Universe, please, for the water signs. Anong meron sa ating water signs? So, we have two cards. What is this? You have this active and desire. And one more card, please. Universe. One more card for the water sign. So, that's it. So, what is this? You have this challenge. So, I think ang mga water signs natin ngayon ay very active ngayon, no? Parang with this challenge card dito, parang ready anytime for any challenges, di ba? Kung ano man ito, di ba? Parang competitive kayo ngayon, napaka-active nyo, di ba? Ito yung nakikita ko rito sa ating mga water signs ngayon. Napaka-energetic, something like that, di ba? Sa Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, ito. So, together with this active and very competitive, na parang gustong-gusto ng mga challenges ngayon, walang inuurungan, walang uurungan, something like that. And with this desire, parang napaka-fiery nyo ngayon if you have partner right now, di ba? Napaka-fiery ng inyong partnership, ng inyong relationship with your person, di ba? Maybe, or if wala man, or kung meron kayong pinupursue with this active, siguro meron kayo kung ikaw ay lalaking water sign, meron kang gustong may pinupursue ka na someone with this active card, di ba? Na siya yung dinedesire mo, pwede rin ganun. So, let's see. What else sa ating fire signs, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, Universe, please. What else for the Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces? So, you have this King of Cups. So, this is your energy, no? Water sign. King of Cups and Six of Pentacles in reverse. So, what else? You have the Moon. Parang may nasisense na ako dito. Water sign. So, I need one more card, please. Universe. One more card for the water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Only one card lang po. Universe, Holy Spirit. One more card for our water sign. So, we have this King of Wands. So, may nakikita ako rito. Meron ngang parang may competition ngang mangyayari or something like that sa ating water sign, no? So, I don't know kung ikaw ba ito or may dalawang person akong nakikita. King of Cups and King of Wands. So, parang itong dalawa, kung makikita mo, magkatinginan sila, right? Parang naghahamunan tong dalawa na to. So, tamang-tama yun sa ating first deck, active, challenge. So, merong competition nangyayari or maybe there will be a competition that will happen, di ba? That will be happening in the future. For some of you, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, with these two kings here, di ba? King of Cups and King of Wands. With this King of Cups na medyo emotional tong isa. But itong isa is King of Wands na napaka parang sugod, 'di ba? Anytime susugod, parang gano'n. So, tingnan natin anong meron dito sa dalawa na ito. Maybe this two king na ito is maybe ito ang mga person na pwedeng nagkakagusto sa'yo, water sign. Take what's resonate, di ba? Parang nasa in competition sila ngayon eh. Kasi kung makikita mo, magkatinginan sila oh. Parang matira matibay. Parang ganun yung nasisense ko dito. Water sign. May dalawang taong gustong makipag-compete for you, right? So, what is this? Six of Pentacles in reverse and with the moon, ito nga, parang with this Six of Pentacles in reverse, di ba? Maybe, wait lang. Yun nga, with the Six of Pentacles in reverse, pwedeng ito yung ikaw to eh. Kumbaga parang nalilito ka rito eh with the moon. Hindi mo alam, parang gusto mong meron kang iniisip pero hindi mo alam kung anong dapat gawin, 'di ba? Right? Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito. Meron kang nasa isip mo, but then hindi mo siya magawa ng action dahil hindi mo alam kung tama ba 'yon or mali, 'di ba? Kasi may dalawang person dito na siguro itong dalawang person na to, ito yung iniisip mo. Hindi mo alam kung anong dapat mong gawin, 'di ba? Ang haba ng hair ng ating mga water signs. Dalawang tao ang nagpupursu sa ating water signs. So, let's see. Ano pang meron sa ating water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Regarding dito sa two persons na ito. Diba? Let's see. What else? Universe, Holy Spirit, what else for the water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Sa kanyang sitwasyon. What else? So, we have change, transition. So, ano pa? What else? Please, ano pa po? Para sa ating water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ang gusto kong i-clarify itong King of Cups and King of Wands na ito. Ano? Wait lang. Let's clarify muna. Parang gusto ko, itabi muna natin itong card na change para mas maintindihan natin. So, tingnan natin, sino ba itong King of Cups na ito sa ating water signs, universe? Who is this King of Cups? King of Cups. So, let's see. Who is this King of Cups? Ano bang message nitong King of Cups na ito sa ating water signs? Sino ba ito? So, itong King of Cups na ito is someone na likes to hook up with multiple partners. So, may pagka-playboy pala tong King of Cups na to. How about this King of Wands, universe? Sino po ito? King of Wands na ito. Sino po itong King of Wands? So, kala mo tahimik pala tong King of Cups, eh, no? Pero, itong si King of Wands is maybe this one is someone na maybe kilala mo or ito siguro ang naging partner mo, person mo. Kasi itong sabi niya, it's my fault. So, parang may sinisisi niya yung sarili niya. So, maybe this King of Wands is nakagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. 'Di ba? So, parang may pagsisisi siya rito na kasalanan niya. Siguro, may separation na nangyari sa inyo nitong King of Wands na ito. So, siguro right now, if you're a single, etong King of Cups is, baka ito yung new person na nagpupursu sa'yo right now, pero tingnan mo kung ano yung, ano niya, may characteristic siya na player, di ba? Hooking up with multiple partners. And this one, King of Wands, ito yung ex mo, maybe, ex-lover mo, di ba? Kasi may separation dito for sure dahil ito yung sinasabi niya is, it's my fault. Kumbaga sinasabi niya, kasalanan niya, bakit kayo naghiwalay. So, what else? Para dito sa King of Cups, please. What else? So, ito sinasabi ni King of Cups is lonely without you daw. And, diba? So, maybe this one nga is a new person. Take what's resonate. Kayong nakakaalam niyan, water signs. Kung meron kayo, for some of you, kung merong bagong person na gustong pumasok or merong bagong person na maybe nagpupurso sa inyo, right? Kayo nakakaalam niyan. So, how about the King of Wands? Ano pong message pa ni King of Wands para sa ating water signs? I'm not attracted. So, what is this King of Wands? It's my fault, then I'm not attracted. Let's clarify one more. This universe. Clarify this, I'm not attracted. You are my everything. So, maybe because you had separation with this King of Wands, 'di ba? Siguro merong, maybe I think may betrayal na nangyari dito. Pwede rin kasi ito, sinasabi nito, pwedeng itong card kasi halo-halo naman tayo ng energy, right? Kasi with this King of Wands, malinaw na merong separation nangyari sa inyo between this King of Wands. So maybe ito yung nahuli mo na hooking up with multiple partners. So ngayon, nagsisisi siya, sinasabi niya, it's my fault. And hindi daw siya attracted doon sa mga siguro intimacy or lust or kumaga parang sexual kumaga parang sexually ang mga naging connected niya doon sa ibang partners niya. So sinasabi niya is he's not or she or he is not attracted naman daw with those people, with those multiple partners, right? So, ito, sinasabi niya sa iyo ngayon is lonely without you. I don't know kung nag-uusap pa kayo nitong King of Wands na ito. So, maybe this one, King of Cups really is a new person who wants to enter your life, di ba? So, ngayon, maybe itong King of Wands na ito, nakikita niya merong bagong person na gustong, or maybe kung ikaw may bagong boyfriend ka na or bagong partner ka na, nati-trigger itong si King of Wands which is your ex, telling you he's lonely without you and you are my everything, di ba? Ngayon, nagpapaliwanag. Let's see what else. Yeah, kasi with the King of Wands kasi, kung makikita mo tong King of na hindi nag-iisip, hindi siya nag-iisip, basta sugod lang siya ng sugod. Anong maisip niya para sa kanya, gagawin niya agad hindi niya alam kung ano yung magiging result in the end, di ba? Ganun ang character ni King of Wands. Kumbaga, hindi siya nag-iisip, kumbaga, sugod-sugod, kung ano yung gusto niya, bahala na, parang gusto kong gawin to. Siguro, ganun yung nangyari nga sa inyo. Ganyan, di ba? Parang wala siyang pakialam, basta para sa sarili niya, ginagawa niya yun kasi gusto niya. Hindi niya alam na nakakasakit pala siya, right? So, tingnan natin. So, ito nga, di ba? May connection talaga. So, this King of Wands who likes to hook up with multiple partners na I think in the past is nahuli mo na, nalaman mo na, that's why you had separation with this King of Cups. And now wants to return, di ba? Ito yung sinasabi niya pa, or maybe, deep inside, ito pa rin siya. I can't change myself. Medyo hindi pa rin niya kayang baguhin yung sarili niya, di ba? Nahihirapan siyang baguhin yung sarili niya. So, what else? Please, universe, what else? Kaya pala meron ka ditong card na change, transition. Maybe ikaw na ito, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Upon separation, you change yourself. Nagkaroon ka ng transition, di ba? So, let's see. Oh, it's not what you think. So, may sinasabi pa rin siya dito na mali daw yung iniisip mo mali daw yung iniisip mo, water sign, dito kay King of Wands na ito. So, what more? Please, one more card. Diba? I told you, babalik tong tao na ito. Gustong bumalik. Missing you, sabi niya. So, let's see. Who is this King of Cups? So, malinaw sa atin na this one is your past person. Itong King of Wands na ito na nagkaroon ng separation sa inyo. Right? So, merong bagong person. Which is this King of Cups na pumapasok sa buhay ng ating water sign. So, maybe yun, kaya gustong bumalik nito ni King of Wands dahil nakikita niya meron ka sigurong ine-entertain na iba, something like that. So, universe, who is this King of Cups or something? So, you have this North Node, cosmic purpose. So, what else? Message, dreams. Ano pa po? Universe, Holy Spirit. Para sa ating water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Pasad, beliefs. Maming lumalabas na cards. Release, surrender, and then seeds, spring. So, I think nga, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, maybe right now is, yun nga, from the past, nirelease mo na nga itong King of Wands na ito na ex-lover mo na niloko ka lang, right? So, nagkaroon ka na ng realization dito regarding with this person, di ba? Kaya nirelease mo na talaga, nagkaroon na ng separation, di ba? Sinurrender mo na. Bahala na siya, parang gano'n. Kasi with this, kasi sobrang burden kahit sa dreams mo, right? Napapanaginipan mo yung tao na yan na niloloko ka pa rin, right? Kung makikita mo, 'di ba? Sa dreams mo, nakikita mo binabackstab ka pa rin niya, 'di ba? So ganun kasakit yung nangyari sa iyo. Water sign na sobrang bigat na even in your dreams, sinasaktan ka pa rin niya, right? So you release that person. And maybe inaano na pa niya, kumbaga parang yung mga beliefs mo, kinokontra niya pa, right? So, parang talagang conflict talaga kayong dalawa nung person na yun. So, right now, dahil na-release mo na yung tao na yun, is ito, you're moving on and you realized something sa iyong sarili, di ba? Kumbaga, you're moving forward na, iniwan mo na yung mga, kumbaga, ready ka na or kinakalimutan mo na eventually step by step, yung mga masasakit. And you're ready, your seeds, kung ano man yung siguro before, nakalimutan mo na kasi ang sarili mo. Right now, unti-unti na binabangon mo na naman yung sarili mo. You're planting seeds na naman, di ba? For yourself. Kasi siguro, in the past, you have these seeds, pero hindi man lang siya nag-grow, di ba? Hindi mo na pagtuunan ng pansin. Kasi itong seeds na to is your dreams, your goals in life, di ba? So, in the past, hindi mo na pagtuunan ng pansin itong seeds mo na tinanim mo. So, ngayon, nagkakaroon ka ng time, naisip mo na ulit, gawin yung mga dreams mo, yung goals in life mo, di ba? Mas naiintindihan mo na gawin yung purpose mo. So, let's see what else for the water signs natin. What messages pa for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, universe. So, ngayon nga, merong new person talaga. Maybe, kasi parang wala pa siya eh. Etong King of Cups na to, maybe hindi pa dumadating. So, in the future pa siguro tong si King of Cups. So, let's see what else. Kapag totally healed ka na siguro, water signs. Kapag yung, kasi siguro right now, hindi ka ready pa to jump into another relationship, di ba? Kasi galing ka sa masakit na relationship eh. So, right now, maybe hindi ka nag-entertain pa rin talaga. So, this King of Cups is, I think, is in the future pa ito darating for you. Kasi wala pa yung energy niya dito. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita dito. So, parang nagpakita lang siya. So, let's see what else. Only you, they can trust on this. So, tingnan natin kung ano yan. What more? For the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, universe, please. What else? So, ito, universe is guiding you. Do not rush things. And what else, please, universe? For the water signs. So, for some of you, you have a sacred mission daw on the way. So, maybe with this card, you had this North Node. So, you're in your North Node na ngayon. Take what's resonate. Kung sino lang nakaka-resonate dito. For some of you, you have a purpose daw in life. So, right now, nasa North Node ka. In your North Node, di ba? Kung sino man lang nakakaalam nito. So, yun nga, with that, connected yan dito sa sacred mission. So, you have a sacred mission. That's why universe is guiding you. Dahil for some of you, meron ngang mission. Maybe, di ba, kung sino man makaka-resonate lang dito. And kaya ito, only you, they can trust on this. So, it's telling you, for some of you, sabi ni universe, ikaw lang daw yung trusted nila na makakagawa nitong mission na to. So, that's it. So, yun nga, for some of you lang kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito. For some of you na you think you have a mission, di ba? So, what else? For some of you naman, meron kayong expansion. You will having expansion, progress, di ba? Getting bigger, maybe sa business, magkakaroon ng expansion for some of you, di ba? Or in job, di ba? Magkakaroon ng maybe may promotion, di ba? For some of you lang. And what's your spending? And for some of you, sinasabihan, what's your spending? Wag gastos kang gastos, right? So, what else? Universe for the water signs natin. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. 2 cards. So, meron tayong card rito, Scorpio, honest, health, long term. So maybe with this sinasabi dito Scorpio, so ito na nga, may kinalaman to dito I think, dito sa King of Cups, na in the future is darating sa'yo, water sign na same sign mo rin. So this one, kung meron kang kilala na Scorpio ang kanyang chart, but whatever naman ang ating sign, di ba? So sinasabi sa'yo, once na dumating na tong sa future na to, si King of Cups, this will be an honest person, di ba? Tutulungan ka niya and it will be a long term for you. So, ito yung parang siguro for you, ito na yung ibibigay sa iyo ni universe na person mo, di ba? Na magiging long term na kayo, kumaga kayo na talaga, parang ito. So, huwag kang mag-alala dahil itong tao na raw na ito is honest sa iyo at tutulungan ka sa lahat ng bagay. So, ito naman for some of you is spell work, backfired, you are safe. So, maybe may connected to doon sa isa na may purpose in life. So, hindi natin maiiwasan, maybe for some of you, merong mga nag-i-spell or hindi man yung nagre-ritual is kasi kapag alam niyo yung pag masama yung loob natin sa isang tao, nakakapagsalita tayo ng di maganda. It's ano na rin yun eh. It can be spell na rin eh kasi kapag nagsasalita tayo ng masama sa isang tao while tayo, masama din ang loob natin or galit tayo, 'di ba? Nakakagawa na rin tayo ng parang kasi kung ano ba ang spell is sumpa, right? So, minsan nagsasalita tayo ng hindi maganda sa kapwa natin. Minsan, hindi natin, akala natin okay lang yun. But then, minsan magtataka ka, bakit mararamdaman mo sa sarili mo, bakit parang minamalas ako, right? Parang walang nangyari sa buhay ko, parang minamalas ako, paulit-ulit yung problema ko. Reflect ka, reminisce ka, tingnan mo, may ginawa ka ba talaga? Kasi minsan sasabihin na, wala naman akong ginagawang masama eh. But then, maybe, kung ano yung mga pinagagawa mo in the past, or may sinasabi ka sa kapwa mo, that's being backfired, di ba? Bumalik sa'yo na hindi mo nalalaman may nagawa ka palang mali. Ayun din yung possible. Kaya dapat tayo minsan or most of the time, be careful tayo sa mga sinasabi natin sa kapwa natin. Kasi minsan sa sobrang galit lang natin, nakakapagsalita tayo ng di maganda. Hindi natin namamalayan, yung evil eye ba, di ba? Nakakapag-evil eye na tayo sa ibang tao. Which is hindi tama kasi minsan yung ginagawa natin, most of that na nag-evil eye tayo or for some of you na nag-evil eye sa ibang tao, na wala naman talagang ginagawang masama sa'yo kasi makikita ni universe yan eh, ni God yan eh. Kung yung sinasabihan mong tao is wala naman talagang ginawang masama sa'yo, but then ikaw panay salitaan ng di maganda sa tao, babalik sa'yo lahat yan. So magbabackfire dyan. So in the future, mararanasan mo yun. Ngayon, mag-iisip ka, bakit ganito, ganyan. Time to reflect, balik ka sa past mo. Ano bang ginawa mo sa past, right? So, ayun yun. So, maybe, ganun yun. For some of you, ganyan. Baka may mga taong nagaganyan sa inyo. Diba? So, yun lang. Always pray lang para yung mga taong may masamang intention sa inyo is hindi nyo ma-absorb, right? Prayer is powerful, mga water sign. So, dito, for some of you, globally known daw, maybe you have a platform, meron kayong or a vlogger or artist, so globally known, iba sa inyo, kilala, diba? So, one more card for the water sign, please. Water sign, please. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please. Fake offer. So, meron ditong water sign na may fake offer sa inyo. So, beware din. Baka sa business, baka may magkikipag-collaborate sa inyo. Any sign naman ito di ba? Sinasabi lang dito, be careful, be mindful, pag-aralan mo ng mabuti kung ano yung mga offer na darating sa inyo, di ba? Hindi lahat yan okay. Siyempre, kailangan pag-aralan mo ng mabuti bago i-grab anumang offer na ilalatag sa inyo, right? So, that's it. So, final message or advice sa'yo ni Universe, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Final message for you or advice ni Universe sa'yo, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, we have these big changes. And one more card, please. Universe, one more card. Your tribe, your vibe. So, sinasabi dito, expect big changes sa buhay mo, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, for some of you, maybe magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation with your soul tribe or family, something like that. Maybe, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, nasa-sense ko rito. There is a reconciliation or a reunion with your family, di ba? Soul tribe, something like that. Kung sino man makaka-resonate dito, di ba? Or pwede din with these big changes coming sa iyong buhay, water sign, your family will be there for you. Kung ano man tong mga pagbabago sa iyo na darating, di ba? Maniwala ka lang, magtiwala ka lang, wag kang mahihiyang humingi ng tulong sa iyong family, pwede ring ganon, di ba? Kasi ready sila to help you, di ba? Parang ganon. Or yun nga, for some of you, merong reunion with your family. Maybe, may mga matagal na kayong hindi nakikita na family ninyo, di ba? Baka one day, bigla nyo makita. So, yun nga, may reunion, ganyan. And expect big changes, water sign, sa buhay nyo. And that big changes will make you happy. Diba? You see, this one made love rito. Ito si God, si Universe, who is guiding you, who is in your side lang always, diba? Hindi kanya pinababayaan kung makikita mo rito. So, huwag kang matakot sa mga big changes na darating sa buhay mo, water sign. Kasi si God is nandiyan lang, ginagabayan ka niya. So, embrace that changes, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, that's it. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading. So, yun nga, big changes is coming. So, have faith lang. God is with you. Pray and have faith lang. Don't lose faith, diba? Always pray lang. Pag kailangan mo si God, kausapin mo lang siya. Right? May mga tanong ka, kausapin mo lang si God, right? So, that's it. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And until next reading, see you again, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.